much VP Choice Awards for including me in the list of nominees, and of course to the panel of judges who voted for me. And speaking of votes, I also dedicate this award to all my supporters, my sweethearts, and my solid fans. Thank you so much for doing everything that you do just for me and of course for me. We really appreciate you guys, and I love you so much. I would like to share this award sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Piratas ng Paraiso, to the whole production team, to the whole staff, to all of my co-actors, and of course, Dreamscape Entertainment. Thank you so much for entrusting me with the role of Beth Paraiso. I poured my heart and soul into this role and into this show, which is why I would also like to say thank you to my Paraiso sisters, Elise Paulson, Charity Tizon, and Loisa Herlando, because they really inspired me and I believe they brought out the best in me every day in me. And I would also like to thank our boss in heaven, Sir David. Thank you so much for giving me the gift of Piratas ng Paraiso. And again, thank you so much, VP Choice Awards, for this recognition. And to all my supporters, my loved ones, Katie, thank you so much. Before anything else, thank you so much, VP Choice Awards.
So before I start, can we just acknowledge the other nominees po? They're so talented and napakahusay ng po nilang actors. And if you don't mind, I have a grocery list of people I'd like to thank. So of course, I'd like to thank VCBA Awards, and of course the panel. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you Dreamscape, thank you Star Magic for the opportunity they gave me a few months ago to work in my first teleserye, and I hope I made them proud. And of course, kay Direk Lauren, rest in peace Sir Deo, si Ate Hazel, Kuya Ron, Direk Raymond, Direk Roderick, and the rest of the production crew, si Javan, Cedric, Sid, Tonet, Ate Kimmy, Ate Trish, and the camera, of course, the audio and the utility. And of course, my wonderful co-stars, si Ronnie Alonte, si Loisa Andalio, Charlie Dizon, Elise Oson, si Joseph Marco, and of course, special mention to my love team, si Alexa Ilacan, my partner. Thank you so much. I hope I made you proud. And yan, thank you for your patience. And of course, gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa aming mga supporters, the sweethearts, solids, and thank you guys for watching, always posting us sa social media, and always giving us the encouragement to work harder than before. I love you guys, and I'll never stop saying that I love you kasi the best kayo. Thank you ulit, VPCA, and thank you for the recognition.